Crochet without permission. Live without permission. In the corner space, make 2 half double crochet, chain 1, 2 half double crochet. Along the side, work 78 front post half double crochet evenly across. Repeat the corner and side 3 more times around. Join with a slip stitch to the first half double crochet. Totals: 16 corner half double crochet in all, 4 per corner, 312 front post half double crochet, 78 per side, and 4 chain 1 spaces, 1 at each corner. We'll make the little flowers separately, then sew them onto the base from the previous rounds. You will make between 24 and 38 blossoms, depending on your spacing. Each blossom has 3 rounds in powder pink and 1 round in dandelion for the center. Blossom, round 1, powder pink. Make a magic ring. Work 6 single crochet into the ring. Join with a slip stitch. Round 2, arches. Over each single crochet, chain 2 to form 6 small arches around. Join with a slip stitch. Sometimes our hands learn faster than our lives. Here, in this blanket, we practice something simple, choosing a color without asking for permission. It seems small, but it is training. Round 3. Into each chain 2 arch work, single crochet, chain 2, double crochet, treble crochet, picot, double crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Skip to the next arch, and repeat for all 6 petals. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Center. Chain 1 and work 1 puff stitch with 3 yarn overs in the center. Fasten off with a long tail. Sew the puff center neatly into the middle of the flower. Attach each blossom on the blanket where you prefer, following your spacing guide. Structural round with tall front post stitches. Begin in any chain 2 space of round 39A. Repeat in every corner. Treble 3 together. Chain 1. Treble 3 together. Outside the frame lives a louder habit, living for other people's opinions. That habit edits our lives like a strict censor, cuts the dress we wanted, lowers the volume of our laugh, hides the project we loved. Chain 1. Sides. Work into round 41 in back loop only unless I say otherwise. Skip 2 stitches, half double crochet in the back loop. Now work a tall front post stitch with 3 yarn overs around the double crochet 3 together from round 38. Close the stitch by pulling through 3 loops at once, then 2 and 2 until closed. Skip 1 stitch in the back loop, half double crochet in the back loop. Tall front post with 4 yarn overs around the double crochet 3 together of round 37. Close as before. Skip 1, half double crochet in the back loop. Tall front post with 5 yarn overs around the double crochet 3 together of round 37. Skip 1, half double crochet in the back loop. Tall front post with 7 yarn overs anchored into the single crochet of round 35 that sits above the popcorn. Skip 1, then work 58 half double crochet in the back loop across the straight section. Before the next corner, mirror those tall stitches in reverse order. So while you crochet, try this. Pick one stitch today that is just for you. Then, off the camera, pick one tiny decision that is just for you. Wear the color you like, say the no you need, send the message you're afraid to send. If a voice whispers, what will they think? Answer softly, they don't live my life, I do. Then skip 2, half double crochet. Treble 3 together. Chain 1, treble 3 together. That's 4 cluster peaks separated by 3 chain 1 spaces. Repeat the corner, the side, and the reverse sequence all the way around. Join with a slip stitch into the closing chain of the first treble 3 together cluster. Totals: 16 treble 3 together clusters, 4 per corner, 8 tall front post stitches with 3 yarn overs, 8 with 4, 8 with 5 and 8 with 7, 2 of each per corner section, 264 half double crochet in back loop only, 58 per side plus the corner transitions, and 12 chain 1 spaces in the corners, 3 per corner. Framing and corner spaces. Join in the first treble 3 together of any corner from round 45. Two half double crochet, chain 1, 2 half double crochet. Front post half double crochet around that cluster. 2 half double crochet into the next chain 1 space of round 45. Front post half double crochet around the next cluster. Now place 75 front post half double crochet evenly along each side. Continue the side as front post half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in space, front post half double crochet. Repeat around. Join with a slip stitch to the first front post half double crochet. Total 316 half double crochets front post, 75 per side plus 4 per corner. 32 half double crochet, 8 per corner. 4 chains 1 spaces, 1 per corner. May your hands lead the way, and your life follow. We continue together, stitch by stitch, choice by choice.